Hi, I am Nikki Hardiman. I've been with the Consult Centre now for 18 months. It's the best move I've ever made. I'm the office manager, and so if you need any appointments, any information, or if you need me to get you together with the client managers, I can sort that for you. Again, Ruth mentioned about the room hire that we do. I can organise that for you, including the hot desking, and I'll make sure that your stay while you're at the Consult Centre is comfortable and as best possible experience for you as well. So we've got several different rooms. We've got one large room which gives you the amazing views that you've got at the front there, and then people come and use that for up to 30 people. You can have as many as you don't have to have like a lower number. You can just be 2 people, or you can have 30 people in there, depending on if you want to do training with your team, or it could just be a quick board meeting within a business. We've also got a couple of more private rooms at the back of the building as well, where you could do some videoing, or again, it could just be that it's a one-to-one session that you might have. But we've got different clients that have got different medical needs that need smaller or bigger rooms. Yes, we've got different clients who come and do hearing tests, so they might just want a smaller room, obviously, because it's less echoey, and we've got that at the back there. We've also got another smaller boardroom type room as well. So we've got three different rooms for different needs of clients that they might need. And we've also got the hot desking area scattered around the building as well that you can use. We've got more private hot desking areas if you want more of a quiet area. And then we've got the front of the building where you've got obviously the views, which can be a bit more social, and obviously will be more interactive for people as well if they'd like to use that one. So day to day, it'll be just checking all the emails, making the relevant appointments, ringing clients, finding out, like Leslie was saying, finding out what they need doing. It might be that they've sent an email and we just need to elaborate more on that information. Coming in like first thing in the morning, having that cup of coffee, not a tea, it has to be a coffee. Checking on each of the team members as well, making sure they've got everything they need, they're happy, there's nothing else I can do to help them set them up for their day. And then my work just varies from appointment making, filling in the diary, optimizing people's social media, their Google My Business, depending on what we've got in on at that particular day. Do you know what? My most favourite moment is this pandemic that's just happened, and how where everyone else was going, I don't know what to do. I got given some amazing advice one day, and Ruth just went, we just adapt. And all of a sudden we've expanded this team. We've created this amazing team, even though we haven't seen each other yet. You guys have only just gone back in the office. We've got a solid team. We've worked together. We're really passionate about everything we're doing at the minute. We're all on the same level. And I think that's something to be really, really proud of, something we've managed to achieve when everyone else has gone, I don't know what to do. We've kind of all come together as a group and become really solid and making really good friends out of it. We're not just work colleagues that will just see each other on a daily basis. We actually got a really tight relationship as well, and I really appreciate that.